Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building something serious, a bulletproof password system in Python. Most developers just hash passwords with bcrypt or SHA-256 and call it a day. But if your database ever gets leaked, hackers can still brute force those hashes offline. So let's fix that the right way. And a quick shout out to ChatGPT, it helped me research and structure the code for this video. If you're learning Python or cybersecurity, tools like this can really speed up your We'll start with the Passlib library and use Argon2, the strongest modern hashing algorithm. Argon2 is memory hard, meaning it slows down GPU and ASIC attacks, perfect for password storage. This setup uses 64 megabytes of memory and takes about 100 to 300 milliseconds per hash. That's slow enough to stop brute force, but fast enough for real users. Next, we add something most tutorials skip: a pepper. A pepper is a secret key stored outside your database. Even if someone steals your user table, they can't verify passwords without the secret. Now, here's something important: if you ever lose the pepper, your app won't be able to verify any existing passwords. It's like losing the master key to your safe. So always keep your pepper in a secure place, like an environment variable, a secret manager, or an HSM. And never store it in your code or GitHub repo. Warning: if missing or empty. We'll use HMAC SHA-256 to combine the password and the pepper before hashing. HMAC stands for Hash-Based Message Authentication Code. It's basically a cryptographic signature that proves authenticity and prevents tampering. Now this pre-hashed value is saved to pass into Argon2 for final hashing. $Argon2 ID $V equals $19 M equals 65536 T equals 2P equals $2 GYOEE job 1 ZC2 M4 XYVFQ $F8 U3 XCQTBFXB/AKXQ 00 M512 XOG UNIT UIV1 SFXHR3Y If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other developers. Stay safe, and keep your code secure. See you in the next one.